Hello friends and welcome to my channel ANATYX, and in this video we will be talking about how to use the minimum and the maximum function in Microsoft Excel. So in this data in column H, if I want to find out which is the minimum number that I have, which is the smallest number that I have in this entire series of data, I will use the min function, which is minimum. So how do I use it? I type in is equal to min open bracket, select the first number, and then I select the entire range till here, close the bracket, hit enter. So the minimum number or the smallest number that I have in this entire data set is 9. So if I scroll down and I will see 9, that is the smallest number in this entire range that I selected. Similarly, now how do I use or how do I find which is the maximum or the biggest number in this same range? So for that what I do is I use the function named as max is equal to max, bracket open, select the first number that I have in this series and drag it till the last number, close bracket, hit enter. So the big 1879. So if I scroll up, I should see 1879 somewhere in this list. This is the number that I have. Now if I want to have the same formulas over here, what I can do is I can drag this like this, or if I want it over here, I can continue dragging it from here to here, or I can select this and drag it from here to here, or the other way is I select these two, right click, copy, click over here, right click, paste. So this will, so 96 is the biggest number that I have in this series over here, and 2 is the smallest number that I have in this same series. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to hit the thumbs up icon that you see down there, and also to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I post new videos you get informed. So thank you for now, and bye bye, see you later.